Good day mga kapitoy. Kumusta po kayong lahat dyan? Kumusta? First vlog. This is my first vlog in YouTube channel. Possible TikTok, Facebook as well. But definitely it will be on YouTube. Welcome, si Fritz po ito, your rider, and Max 155 and my OBR Bituin España. For information sa lahat ng mga riders natin, endurance, sumasali tayo noon hanggang ngayon, fun ride, loop, and adventure rally by SMB. Sinasalihan na natin yan, pero ang pinapangarap ng lahat ng mga riders ay sumali ng Philippine Loop, which is 5,000 kilometers with different provinces and cities na pass natin sa buong Pilipinas. Ito yung pinapangarap sa lahat ng mga riders natin. Low cc man or the highest cc we have in the Philippines, in different motorcycles, especially sa mga riders. Pwede naman siya po sa 4 wheels, pwede din maglakad, pwede din bisikleta, kahit anong transportasyon, pwede. Basta i-register mo yung magiging. Last December 11, nag-register tayo, and just 5 days after, dumating agad yung Philippine Loop kit natin. Kaya gumawa kaagad tayo ng vlog. Please watch and enjoy. Madali lang. Just contact anybody in Philippine Loop. As in Dumaguete, Negros, kinontak namin si Miss Jackie through Facebook, and ginawan tayo na mga link kung saan tayo pwede mag-register, and of course payment through GCash. Yes, bubuksan na natin to. 5 days until now, December 16, we ordered, make all the transaction December 11. Here we go, very fast. See, kita nyo, rush. Okay, buksan na natin ha. Punta ito. Yes sir, yan. Okay, excited po, Philippine Loop. But actually, we're planning on February our Philippine Loop. Just preparing ourselves now, and lahat ng mga gamit natin, prepare natin. I have my NMAX, Yamaha NMAX 155. It was purchased 2023. I always ride with my partner, Aiden. Nakasali na tayo sa mga fun ride. I think they are banned already. Yung fun ride yung dito lang sa, mostly dito sa Visayas and Mindanao as well. Nakasali tayo sa mga Negros Loop, Cebu Adventure Rally, papunta din tayo ng Bohol, Surigao, Panay Adventure Rally, both SMB and Jetly. Okay, yun ang mga major nagpangmay-ari ng mga organization na yun. Okay, yes, wow, I think I see something here. Oh, there's some ID. May mga ID po tayo. Okay, isa-isahin natin. First, tabi passport. Oh, passport. Both passport. Both of us registered. 3,400. Additional is 600 for each vest, Philippine vest. Okay, buksan po natin to. Nakikita ko rito ID. Check na natin. Oh, wow, look at that. Tingnan mo guys, bagong ID with my photo on it. Ito yung pangalan natin at saka address. The back, discover the beauty of Philippines. ID number, date issued December 12, and it will expire on November 31, 2025 guys. 1 year to finish this loop. Oh, ang ganda. First time ko nakikita to. Sana magustuhan nyo to. Passport. Wow. Dalawang sticker. Lado. May ingit dito. Wow. Na-excite tuloy ako. May attachment pa. Map of the Philippines. Yes. The passport itself. Okay. Same numbers, ID and passport guys. Okay. For my wife, definitely same. Own ID also as a Philippine Adventure official back rider. Okay, that's my wife. Yeah, same kit. Hindi ko na bubuksan to. Of course. Wow. T-shirt. dalawa sa akin, XL, ang dalawang medium for my wife. Kasya talo. Let's try the XL. Perfect. Guys, ito yung Philippine look. May sizes din guys. XL, may sizes din. Okay. L. Ay, perfect. Yes, sir. Pwede mong paglagyan ng may parang reflectorize yata to. Department of Tourism, the Philippine Loop, Adventure Tour. The back, Adventure Team Philippines, and of course the major sponsor of Philippine Loop, Castrol, Fastcat, BMW, Welltech, Standard Insurance, Jelly, TBP, and Motorcycle. I'm very excited now, but yung Philippine Loop natin sa coming February, okay? The preparation, may trabaho pa tayo. But of course, yan na. Ito na yung sinasabi natin. Happy guys. Yung baso pala, from Team Nalagon, isa sa mga respetong couple rider and vlogger as well. And rider. Thank you Team Nalagon for your mug. Support your channel, Team Nalagon. As what I said earlier, discover the beauty of Philippines, explore 45 provinces, 65 cities, 16 religions, 5,000 kilometers of fun and adventure in 30 days. Okay guys, yun lang ang vlog natin ngayon. Natanggap na natin yung Philippine Loop, and the next will be, of course, the first day sa February. Hindi ko pa alam yung day, when, but definitely it will be February yung natin, starting ng Philippine Loop. First day, Philippine Loop. Plan natin is magno-north tayo from Dumaguete direct to Bacolod, Dumangas to Caticlan to Roxas, Mindoro to Calapan, then Calapan to Batangas. Then let's see